Hi, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Welcome. As you can see, today we are going to be doing another unboxing. So it's been a long time since I've posted a video. I'm so sorry. I've just been so caught up with things. And so this box I actually ordered maybe 2 or 3 months ago. It's been so long, I forgot when I ordered it, but I ordered it from one of my new favorite brands called Go Forth Goods. It's a full grain leather handbag. And so there are actually several different things in here to the point where I kind of forgot exactly what I ordered. It's been that long. So yeah, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh, okay. I can already kind of see something peeking through. So let's see. Ooh. All right, this looks so pretty. This is the Avery Tote in the small size. Ever since I ordered my pink one, I'll link the video up above, but I have been using that bag literally every single day. I haven't really moved out of it unless I need to for my work bag or for other reasons. But this one, I saw the leather and this is called Cobalt Blue. This is a Bison leather. This is the small Avery. Really cool. I think I asked for either color variation or I'm pretty sure I asked for pebbling because I really like the pebbles. It has that leather smell. And I actually picked, I was a little nervous, but I took a chance and I picked the veg tan handles. So these handles are the untreated leather, the natural grain, so it'll patina and it'll get marks and things over time, which I think will give it character. The other thing too is I added this large front pocket, and this time I remembered to hem the top. So this part and this part, they're both hemmed. I love it. And then so with my pink one, I love having the two options where this one has the zipper option on the inside, as well as this snap button closure, where you can just push it over like that. So I really like this size. Like I said, I have not moved out of my pink one, but I really loved the color. So here you can see there's a key clip, which is handy. And then on the inside, try to open it. It's a little bit dark. Hopefully you can see down in there. There are two pockets. There's one here and there's one here. And then the middle part is just open. And I feel like even though this is a full grain leather bag, this Bison leather, it still feels very nice. It's not that pebbly. It feels a little bit different than my pink one. Leather feels a little bit thinner, so it might be a little bit lighter than my other one. But here's the bottom. You can see the texture in the leather. Oh, I might use this one today. I'm so excited. I'm really loving the natural veg tan with the Cobalt Blue. So again, this is the Avery Tote in the small size. All right. Okay. All right, so this one is the one that made me really want to open up this box today. So this is the Hoffman. I think I'm really gonna like this one. And I was really torn on if I was gonna like this color or not. Hemmed and hawed like all summer about it. This is in the peach color. And this leather feels so good. It's so soft and so luscious. Oh my gosh, I wish you could just feel this leather. But this bag, I like fully customized it. I thought it was going to be a really nice summer bag, but now it's fall and I waited so long that I guess I can still use this. I guess with the orangey pumpkin colors all around. This is the peach. And again, I was in a veg tan mood. So again, oh, that's really cool. The handles, this is veg tan. It's super soft and I had my initials stamped on there. And I'm definitely think I'm going to use this bag today. There are the double zippers. This size sort of reminds me of, when it comes to handbags, my mind kind of functions in the terms of Louis Vuitton equivalents. So I would say this is probably thinner, but the overall size is probably similar to, I would say, probably the Speedy 25. This is the Hoffman Crossbody. Okay, so there are these big chunky zippers. Let's open it up. Let's see what the inside looks like. It comes with a shoulder strap. Also veg tan, which makes me a little nervous, so I'm going to have to spray it down with Apple Guard. But you can see the hardware, the brass hardware, very, very heavy, but very high quality. And here's what the inside looks like. So this pocket is really big, but it's almost kind of just like hanging open. It's like unfinished lining, and I don't know if things would fall out, like say if I put it, because it's not very deep in there. I'm not sure about this pocket, to be honest. I guess it's nice to have a pocket, but it's like excessively big. Where, do you see how it's like, I think it almost seems like there's too much leather, that it's just a massive pocket. Anyway, so there's a pocket, and then it's otherwise open. And then I saw a key clip, which again, it's in a weird spot, I feel. I wish it was like here on the side, but there is a key clip down here. It's kind of like where my Jane key clip is, which I'm not a huge fan of this location. It's so far near the bottom that it's hard to get the keys out. It's like an inconvenient spot, and it's like way low down in the bag underneath everything. So, but there's a key clip if you want one, or if you wanted to attach like a little pouch with like a handle, and then you can fish it out. But there's that key clip, and that's pretty much the inside. I can smell the leather. And then I also added this zippered front pocket. And this bag is so squishy. I love this bag. I'm really excited about this bag. So I was so torn because when the peach was released over the summer with ocean blue, which it reminds me of like Play-Doh blue, and I was really torn. I didn't like the peach or the blue when it first came out, but as people released pictures and I saw more and more pictures, I gravitated towards the peach one, and then over time I was like, oh man, I wish I got the ocean blue color. But this one I think will be a nice neutral color. And then I also added feet for the first time. And so, yeah, I am really excited about this bag. I think I'm gonna actually use this one today. Yeah, here's what the back looks like. Here's what the front looks like. You can hear, hopefully you can hear the handles. Really like the details of the handles. Just a really cute bag. And again, I added the feet. Okay, we have one more bag in here. Okay. Oh, it's been so long, I don't remember the name. This is a green bag. I'll insert it below. And I was really drawn to green for the longest time. This is the small Avery tote. So this tote is essentially very similar. It's the same thing as my cobalt blue. See if I'm in frame. So this is the green, and then this is the cobalt blue. They're different, but they're almost the same. So I might actually sell this one now that I see it. I just don't see myself using this a ton. But again, it's like fully customized with the large front pocket, the hem top, the zipper closure, and the snap button closure. On the inside, it has both pockets that I left. They recently changed it where you can customize it and take out a pocket to make the bag lighter, but they won't include that extra pocket like how they used to. Here's a key clip, and here's the back of the bag. So this is a pretty bag, but I think I like the blue one more than the green one. Here's what the bottom looks like. So this one, honestly, now that I see it, it has a great leather smell to it. And you can see they're still putting the 10-year stamp on there. So those are the bags. Let's see what else is down in here. Okay, I ordered some bag flair. So let's see here. This is the purple, which is really cool because I wanted to put these on like the zipper just for some decoration. I don't remember ordering the purple. That's interesting. I'll have to check my receipt. I ordered, these are the keychains that you get for free. That's like little samples of the leather. I can't tell if this is veg tan or if it's the peach. I'm not sure, but either way, glad to have it because I have a couple others. This is the pink one that I love, that I haven't decided if I want to put it on my pink Avery tote, my pink Jane tote, or I might put it on one of these. Then I got green, probably so I could put it with a green bag. This is pretty. These are like large, like very well made, substantial tassels. They're not like little flimsy ones. So I like that. Then I think the last one is a blue one, which I'm excited about. This one is a cobalt blue. So here is the green and the blue next to each other. I guess I'll put all of them up. I was just looking on the website last night and I saw that the pink one was re-released over the summer, but now it's gone. So these are the colors. That's so pretty. Yeah, they're very large tassels. Very substantial. Be very nice for zipper pulls or keychains. And then here's the business card for Go Forth Goods. They're based out of Marietta, Georgia. All these handbags and items are handmade. Oh, right there. They're American-made products that are handmade. Here's some leather care instructions. And okay, so my bag was made July 23rd, 2024 by Spencer. So thank you, Spencer. And then here is that little sticker. I think it's really cute with the truck, and you can see the sewing needles and the 10-year. So that's pretty much it for today's unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions, as always. All right, edit. So I'm getting ready to like pack this bag, and I was a little bit disappointed because I'm trying to put the shoulder straps on, and this one works, and this one I can't get down. So I'm going to have to email customer service, but this one, for whatever reason, I think this one's broken. This one will not go down. So yeah, I don't think I can use this bag today. While I'm emailing them about this shoulder strap clasp, I might as well, I think I'm gonna take a picture and ask them about this inner pocket. If you have one, please comment and let me know if your inner pocket looks like this with all this excess leather. But I would say out of the 3 bags today, this is by far my favorite. I think I'm personally just very drawn to the cowhide leather. It's so squishy. Oh my gosh, you guys, you just, like, unless you have felt this before, it's just hard to explain. It's so buttery soft. So I really, really do love this. I think this is a really good size. And then here's just before I end the video, this is a green. But here's a green that I'm probably going to sell. And I really like this one too. So maybe I'll use this one today. I'm not sure. This is a cobalt blue and bison leather. So bison leather, this is my first time feeling bison leather. It feels a little bit more stiff. It's a lot more stiff than the cowhide leather. So if I had to pick one, I like the cowhide leather, but I also like the characteristics and the variation of the bison. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for coming by. I'll see you next time. Bye.